चल कमिंग डबल सीट, कमिंग डबल सीट. So it's 18 kilometers to Safale. So on the express highway, which is right behind me there, just have to take a left, and you have Kelwa 32 kilometers, you have Safale 18. That's where I'm heading to, and it's drizzling a bit. Just hope it doesn't rain. Just have a look at the roads, guys. Straight. Just have a look at the view. Trees on both sides, and you have the road straight road. It's somewhat like Murbad when I'd gone to Mashish Ghat. Amazing. Oh, there are some people selling some vegetables. So now we are on the Safale Ghat. Woo! Now this is the Safale Ghat. Let's just have a look at the mountains. This is somewhat like giving me the feeling of the Mashish Ghat. But it's fun riding on these ghats. The Ghat road, the twisties, the turns are amazing. All the bikers love to ride on the Ghat, but it's very dangerous as well, because see, this is what happens. Zero point of view, then that's where you need to be, quite aware of things. Because you don't know which vehicle is coming. You just need to be careful, ride a bit slow. There are these bulls, and I'm scared now, because you never know. They're just all on the road. Oh, and it's a two-way road, so you need to be more careful. At least the Kasara Ghat, Igatpuri Ghat, it's a one-way road, but here it's a two-way, so you just need to be careful. Many might have come to the Wandri Lake or to Pilar Dam and all that, but the place here in Safale, Karwali Dam, is not quite famous. You can see these friends all here, and there's a cute one out there. Wow. And that's the mother, and you can't trust these monkeys, especially when the kids are there. They can just attack you, so just need to be careful. Don't try to get close to them. Okay, relax. You can see they're getting aggressive. Here is another one. Give me also when to eat. What are you eating alone? Give for me. Give me. Give me something. Give me, man. Are? Alone you'll eat. Give here. One bite give. Chal, coming a double seat. Coming double seat. Oh my god. Got angry on me. Very cool place. You can see there. Come on, I'll show you all this place as well. So there's a waterfall out here. You can see that. So when it rains, ideally at the start of the rains, then people do come out here and see the benches as well. But for now I'm heading to my destination.
Love is going cold, you're leaving out the door and say I don't know when I'll be home. Like needles holes in my heart, it's tearing me apart. Just trying to find a light in the dark. I know that you're afraid, but
so we are in the village out here in Safale. Just have a look at this. They have their own fields out here. What a life here. Really miss this sort of life. Look at that. Nice and green. Typical village roads. All people out here wondering what I'm doing out. Just have a look at them. It just looks like someone new in the village. Off-roading feeling here, but it's amazing. Small lanes connecting the roads. The breeze, amazing. It's nice and sunny now. Seems to be cloudy. Just have a look at the fields. Look at the greenery around. Amazing. This is what we Mumbaikas miss. The greenery around, the trees and this beautiful road passing by. Amazing feeling. Wow, that's the reason why I like to travel here. Get to see different places. I really love the village life. There are shops as well here. Kirane ka shop is there. After visiting such places, I don't feel like moving back to Mumbai. There are people out here. Alright guys, so here is my bike. I'll wash it, but before that I just need to enjoy a little bit. This is what I was talking about, a little bit of water that's flowing, and you can see a small sort of waterfall. So I'm just planning to go out there. Wow. You know what, without shoes walking in the stones is very painful. I'm not used to this and I'm carrying my shoes because I don't want to get it wet. These are not waterproof it's fun yaar, kya baat hai. See, it's very slippery. Just need to be careful. Nice sort of flowing water. You know what, I'm a dumbass. There's a way to walk around and I prefer to take the difficult part as always.
I'm not letting go.
See, you can see that? Right. Legs have become completely red. So peaceful.
It went something like this. You take my breath away. It's crazy how you're making me feel. The way you're smiling at me, I want it back. This feeling I can see is working it out. You're all that matters to me.
I don't know if you can see, but there is a small crab here. One second. See there. See there. You can see. I catch him. Yeah, I got him. Chipukla. He ran. See. Again, I got him. He's so small. Aram se. I don't want to hurt you. Wait, Re Baba. I'll leave you in the water. I'll go on this water. There he went. Chalo. Lot of adventure, you know. It's very easy to actually walk on this if you have proper shoes. Good. Must take them. I'll just wear my shoe because it's really hurting me. This is how it is. Small sort of pond out there. These guys are enjoying. It's pretty good. Come on, babes. It's time to have bath. Make you clean. Yeah. अरे यार पैंट भी गीला हो गया रे मेरा. Shit.
Broken smiles, we're lost right now. So hold on.